So here's how we can turn off school time on the Apple Watch. Let's talk about it. So if you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials like this one. Now, if you have the school time enabled, it just means that the watch kind of looks like this. It only shows you the time and it doesn't really do anything. In order to get outside of that, you need to press and hold down on the digital crown to exit it. It will then let you know how long you've been inside of the school time, and you need to confirm the exit by tapping on the exit button, of course. If you don't see that option or somehow cannot make it work, well, it's probably because the Apple Watch has been set up under the family sharings, like a family Apple Watch. So if it hasn't been set up with the main account, you have to turn it off from the iPhone, from the main iPhone of the owner, where you go to the watch app, go to the all watches, switch to that Apple Watch, and in there you can turn off the school time by looking it up right there. So that's kind of how it works. But other than that, that's what you need to know. There is also the control center where you can enable it on your Apple Watch, and you can edit the control center right there by adding the toggle or removing it from the control center, reorganizing it, whatever you need, but it can all be found in there as well. So I believe that I mentioned all of the important things. If there is something that I kind of missed, or if you still have some questions, let me know about that below in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the next tutorials.